Miss Ho find many students can't do this exercise practice step by step. So today I will do first. Look at the whiteboard. And first, we must write down the number under the circle. 1, 2, 3. So we will write down 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Which number should we write down? You please.
3.
Yes. So there are 2 3s. And next, you please.
3.
Another 3. Here, you please.
3.
Okay. And then, you please.
3.
The last one, you please.
3.
So, how many 3? You please.
6.
6 3s. So, first, write down the 3 under the circle on your worksheet. And then finish this practice. If you finish, clap your hands. Finish. Yes. Number sentence. Number sentence. Don't forget to write the number sentence. Wonderful. Yes. You don't have a pencil. Okay, let's check. There are how many stars as a group? Who wants to try? You please.
3.
Read the sentence. There are
3 stars as a group.
Go on.
They are
See?
6 groups in all. The amount of
Stars is
6 3.
wonderful. So, who can write the number sentence? You please.
6 times 3 is 18.
True or false?
True.
Okay, speak loudly. And then let's have review another practice. Draw the circle. First, think about which number 3 means what and 4 means what. Write down on your worksheet. Three means what? Okay. Draw circle. Don't forget. Circle. Don't forget to draw the circle. Okay, let's check. Who wants to try? You please. So how many circles? Yes, you please go on. How many circles?
3.
3. Wonderful. So I will give you a stamp. And next, review 3. Look at the picture. Write the number sentence. We can find different number sentence. Write on your worksheet. Different? Which one is different? 2, 5, and this is right. And another one, the different number sentence. Yes. Okay, let's check. I will show you. So, who is correct? Raise up your hands. Okay, let's make a big fire for ourselves. Boom, pa! Wonderful. And today, we will first learn solve problem. There are 7 frogs. Each frog has 2 eyes. How many eyes in all? Yes, I think many students can find the answer. But today, Miss Ho will introduce a new way to do it. So first, we will build a math model in our mind, such as, look here. I will use circle as frog and triangle as eye. So 7 frogs. Guess how many circles I should draw? You please. 7. Wonderful. So I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. And in each circle, how many triangles should I draw? Who wants to come to draw it? You please. Oh, sorry, it's 6. This is the 7. Yes, draw inside. Okay. Okay. This. And true or false? True. Yes, so let's make 2 big fire for her. Boom, pa, boom, pa. Thank you. And why we must draw 2 triangles in each circle? Find the sentence, the key sentence in this word problem. You please.
Because the key sentence is each frog has 2 eyes, so you need to draw 2 eyes in each circle.
Which is the key sentence? This or
Eyes in all.
which? Read the sentence.
How many eyes in all?
Oh, you think this is the key sentence? True or false? Oh, sorry. Why we must draw 2 in each circle? Find. You please.
I find that 2 times so 7 times 2 must equal 14.
Yes, this is a number sentence. But now my question is, why you should write 2 triangles in each circle? Which sentence told us? You please.
There are 7 frogs because each frog has 2 eyes.
Wonderful. Give him a big firework. Boom, pa. So let's read the key sentence. Each frog has 2 eyes. Loud, please. Each frog has 2 eyes. This is the key sentence, only this sentence. And each. So, each circle must draw 2 triangles. So, in your mind, we must build this math model. And now, look carefully and close your eyes. Draw this math model in your mind. And if you're finished, clap your hands and open your eyes. So we can find 7, 7, 7. Oh, sorry. So, these problems now, the word problems, change like this one. So we can find the number sentence. Which is the number sentence? The last girl. Yes. Two times 7. Anyone has a different ideas? You please. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How
7 times 7.
7 times 7? Anyone else? You please.
7 times 2 equals 14.
Wonderful. Why is this number sentence? Who can explain for us? Okay, you please.
Because there's 2 eyes and the 7 of the 12, so you need for the 2 it's the eyes and for the 7 it's the circles.
Yes.
You need them because of the numbers.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, and I think someone don't understand and who wants to explain for us again, come here and maybe you can draw something on it. You please. Why is 7 times 2? Yeah. Yes.
Because if you do 14, take away 7, you get to the answer 7. So 7 times 2 equals 14.
So you can look at this whiteboard. Why is 7 times 2?
Because if you add
How many 2?
there is 7 2s and 7 2s make 14.
Yes, wonderful. Let's make a big fire for her. Boom, pa. So, why we can write this number sentence? Because 1, 2, 2 2s. Let's count together. 3 2s.
4 2s, 5 2s, 6 2s, 7 2s.
So 7 2s is 7 times 2 equals 14. So, next. There are 2 cars. Each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels in all? And I will ask all of you to draw like this. First, to build a math model on your whiteboard. Circle. You can use circle as cars and triangle as wheel. very quickly. Okay. Look. The circle is big, and inside the circle there are triangles. It's round. Okay. How many cars? Look, and so how many circles?
2.
Yes, is that right? Yeah. Okay. Yes, great. And I will invite you to come the board to write it, okay? Go. I find a perfect answer. Wow. Okay. Yes. Yeah, that's right. And you forgot what? Okay, thank you. If you finished, check your answer with the whiteboard and think which is the correct. Yes, her answer is so small. I will big it. Okay, if you finish, clap your hands. Okay, first, do you think this is true or false? True. Oh, I think someone have different ideas. Who have the different ideas? Oh, okay. You please.
I think the 4 should be a 2 because 2 times 4 equals 8, and there's only 2 cars, not 4.
Yes. So, the number sentence is wrong. But let's have check. This math model is true or false? True. Yes, and I love this answer. Why? Because she write down the number of each circle under this circle and check your answer and write down what you forgot. And if you check, finished, clap your hands. Okay, so I also have a question. Why you will draw 4 triangles in each circle? Find the key sentence. Okay. Let me have a look. You please. Yes. Wonderful. Let's make a big file for her. Boom, pa. Okay, let's read it together. The keyword, each car has 4 wheels. So, how many is that right? Let's read the key sentence again. Each
car has 4 wheels.
So, check it. And then we have a practice. There are 4 weeks in 1 month. Each week has 7 days. How many weeks in 1 month? The first step, I want you to think about the mass model in your mind. Close your eyes and draw it in your mind. And then find the number sentence and write down on your whiteboard. Okay. And if you feel difficult to find the answer, you can draw the mass model on your whiteboard. Use circle and triangle. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Which is the answer? Is that right? Look. 4 weeks and 7 days in each week. So, how many triangles in each circle? How many? 7, 2, 4. How many? 7, not 4. Okay. If you finish, clap your hand. Which one? Which one? Round. So, let's have check. I will first draw the mass model for you and 4 weeks and circle as week, triangle as day. So, 4 circles. And how many triangles should I draw in each circle? You please.
7.
Why?
Because the key sentence is each week has 7 days.
Wonderful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? True or false? True. So. So check the mass model. If correct, clap your hands. Let me know. Okay. And 1, 7, 2 sevens. Count. Together. 3.
4 7.
So the number sentence. Okay. You please.
4 times 7 equals 20.
True or false?
True.
Okay. And then look at the board. Look at the picture. Write the number sentence. Tell me the number sentence. You please.
4 times 3 equals 12.
Wonderful. Different ideas. Different ideas. You please.
Times 4 equals 12.
Yes. So this picture we can write 2 different number sentence. And now, this is easy for us. So Miss Ho will get some challenge for you. Try to tell the math story about the picture. The first, I will use this number sentence and listen carefully. There are 3 lines. Each line has 4 loaves of bread. The question is, how many loaves of bread in all? This is my math story, and you can repeat it by yourself. Start. There are 3. Okay, let's read it together. There are 3
lines. Each line has 4 loaves of bread. How many loaves of bread in all?
Yes, and another number sentence. Try to tell a math story in your group. Discuss it. Start.
There are 4 loaves of bread and 3 lines. And there is how loaves of bread in all?
There are how many lines, and each line?
There is 3 lines.
This number sentence is 3 lines. How many lines?
4 lines.
Yes. 4 lines, and each line has
3.
loaves of bread. The question is,
It's 12.
question is what? 12 is the answer. I want you to, how many loaves of bread in all? This is the question. So let's say the story again. How there are
4 lines. Each line has 4 loaves of bread.
4 loaves of bread.
3 loaves.
Yes, 3 loaves of bread. How many?
Loaves of bread.
Yes. Okay, if you finished, clap your hands. Which group wants to try? Your group.
There are 4 lines. Each line has 3 loaves of bread. How many loaves of bread in all?
Oh, perfect. Let's make 3 big fire for this group. Boom, pa, boom, pa. Wonderful. And any group wants to try again? Okay, you group.
There are 4 lines. Each line has 4 loaves of bread. How many loaves of bread in all?
Wonderful. Anyone else? Your group.
4 lines. Each line has 3 loaves of bread. How many loaves of bread in all?
Okay, say it loud. And let's say this math story together. There are 4 lines.
Each line has 3 loaves of bread. How many loaves of bread in all?
Yes, so another picture and many children on the picture, and each of them has balloons. So discuss in your group the math story. How to, yes, yes. There are how many people? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so there are 4 children.
2 balloons.
Yes, and the question is what?
4 times.
Question, how many
4.
how many balloons in all? This is the question, right?
There's It's 8.
No. 8 is the answer. I want you to find the question. The question is how many balloons in all? This is the question.
2.
No. 2 is the answer. The question is how many? You ask someone how many. This is a question, right?
4 children.
No, this is a question, not an answer. I will let you know the question. How to ask make a problem. Understand? Like you may be a teacher, a little teacher, right? Yes, this is a question. Understand? Understand? Okay. Okay. Which groups wants to try? Okay, your group.
There's 5 children. Each child has 2 balloons. How many balloons in all?
Wonderful, but how many children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, but these children has balloons. Do they have do this child has balloon? No. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 children have balloon. So let's check the answer. There are 4 children. Each child has 2 balloons. How many balloons in all? Which group wants to try again? Okay, your group.
There are 4 children.
Okay, so I find someone count. Find the question. And how many balloons in all? This is a question. And you can image. You are a teacher and you tell the students that there are 4 children. Each child has 2 balloons. So then you will ask students, how many balloons in all? This is a question. So, the number sentence. Okay. And next, another pictures. And try to tell a math story about the picture by yourself. If you finished, clap your hands.
There are 8 apples. How many apples is it all?
Yes. Yes, you can. Can you tell me the story?
There are 4 trees. Some have lots of apples on, some don't.
So some, how many is the sum?
Some have 7, some have 9, and some have 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And yes, wonderful. Give me your worksheet. Yes. So, not some. Each tree has
8.
yes. Yes. And the question is,
How many apples in all?
wonderful. Yes. Okay. Let's check. Who wants to come here and be a little teacher? You please. Come here. And everyone must listen carefully.
There are 4 trees. All the trees have 8 apples on.
How?
And the sentence is,
How?
how many apples in all?
So the little teacher asks you how many apples in all. Who can write the number sentence for this little teacher? You choose one.
So,
I will. This one for you. Yes.
4 times 8
Equals
8. 6. No.
it's true.
12.
Write down your answer. There is the project. Okay, it's your answer, yes? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's clap your hands for her. Okay, thank you. And don't. Do you true or false?
True.
Oh, you think it's true. Anyone have the different ideas? Okay, you please.
4 times 8 equals 32.
Yes, 32. I will check it. Okay, let's make a big file for the little teacher. Boom, pa! Thank you. Okay, and anyone else wants to try to tell us the story? Okay, you please.
There are 4 trees on each tree. There are 4 trees. On each tree is 8 apples. How many apples are in all?
Wonderful. And anyone else? Tell us the story. Okay, you please.
There are 4 trees. There are 8 apples on all. How many on all?
Okay, and anyone else? You please.
There are 4 trees. On each tree there is 8 apples. How many apples in all?
Wonderful. So let's say the story together. There are 4 trees.
Each tree has 8 apples. How many apples in all?
And read the number sentence.
4 times 8 equals 12.
Equals 32. Sorry, I make a mistake. And then think about this picture. Miss Ho wants to write the number sentence of multiplication. About this picture, is it possible? Discuss in your group.
No, because it's not even.
Yes.
It's not even because there's only 1 in the first one and there's 2 in the second one.
Yes, clever girl. Yes.
It's possible because 2 times 1 and 1 times 2.
So it's possible, right? Think why we can use multiplication.
Do you have to times something?
Because the same add or the same number to add 2 plus 2 plus 2, and we can use multiplication. Yes. And look here. The first plate has 1 apple, and the next plate has 2 apples. It's 1 plus 2. So the same number
Is 2.
Okay, I think someone have find the idea. Who want to come here and be a little teacher to explain? Who? Okay, you please.
You can't do a multiplication sentence because they're not equal.
Understand?
Yeah.
Understand? Not equal. Wonderful. And let's make a big file for the little teacher. Boom, pa! Thank you. And we know for the same numbers added successfully, we can use multiplication, like as 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we can change it to the multiplication 3 times 2. But in this picture, 1 plate is 1 apple and another one has 2 apples. So it's not equal. It's not the same number. And at last, we will do a game. Look at the picture. Where is the picture? Each group has a picture like this one. And choose a part of the picture to tell a math story. Draw the circle around the part of the picture. You have chosen. One student tell a math story to your group. The other student must solve this math story. And look at the board. Okay, everyone look at the board. And I want one group help me to make the example. Which group wants to come here and be? Okay, your group. Yes, and we are, come here. Yes, and we are a group. And I will find a part of the picture to tell a math story, like here. And I draw a circle around the part. And then I will tell my math story. There are 4 children. Each child has 2 balloons. How many balloons in all? Find the answer.
There's 8 altogether. Yeah, 8. 8 because 4 times...
Write down the number sentence. Okay, and you write down your number sentence. Okay, and the little teacher, somebody look at me, and then the little teacher must check the answer. And I will check it. This one is right, and another one is wrong. 4 children, so 4 circles. So, do you understand how to play? Yes? Okay, now let's start. Thank you.
Each plate has 7 cakes. Each plate has 7 cakes. How many loaves
Which part you choose? So draw. Yes, tell me the story. Who is the little teacher? Okay.
There are 8 children at school, and they are playing football. There is 1 football. How many in all?
Is that right? We must use this in multiplication, so I will tell you the story. 8 children, there are 8 children. Each children had 2 feet. Is that right?
Yes.
So how many feet in all? Write down. Write down.
2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Is that right? Is that right? This is right. This is yes. Yes. So you can who be a teacher again and tell this story, and other one.
5 times 4. We made an estimate.
Ah, yes.
We did. There are 5 ducks in each row. How much ducks in all? And we worked out at the answer was 20.
So, the number sentence? You are a little teacher and you please write down your number sentence. Yes. And the little teacher checked the sentence. Which part you choose? So first,
2 houses and
right.
10 flowers altogether.
Circle around. Circle, circle. Yes.
I put there is 2 houses and they are 10 flowers altogether. How many flowers are there on each side?
Okay. Which part you choose?
I chose that.
So draw by this pen.
Okay, so you can see.
Yes, I can't see it. If you finish, clap your hands. Which part you choose? So you can draw. Yeah, here. To draw the circle around the part. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Which part you choose? So you can draw the circle first around this part. Yeah. Not with pencil. With pencil I can't recognize. Use this pen. Yes, use this pen, draw it. Yes. Clever. Wait.
And then there's 6 children altogether, yeah. We're doing another one.
So which picture you used? Which part?
That one and that. Yeah, so this is a different
So this is one part and another is this.
Draw the circles to show.
Sure. Yes.
That's it.
Okay. Clever. This. Yes. Okay. Let's check. Which group wants to try? Come here. Maybe that group. Bring your picture. Yes. Come here. Okay.
There is 2 houses. Each house has 10 flowers. All
Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers.
Each house has 5 flowers. How many flowers altogether?
The number sentence.
5.
Right.
5 times 5.
Yes. Right. Equals. Okay. Is that right?
True.
5 and 5. So how many 5s? You please.
2 5.
So 2 5s, the number sentence is you can correct. Yes. 5 times 5, is that right? Think about. No, it's not right. 2. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 5. Okay. Plus. This is plus. Yes. Okay. Thank you. And thank you. Let's clap hands for her. Thank you. And this is wrong. This is right. But who can change this number sentence in multiplication? Last one. Yes, the last boy. Write down 2 5s. Yes, thank you. Let's make a big 5 for him. Boom, pa! Thank you. This is the right. And we can use multiplication more easier. And is there any groups wants to try? Okay, your group. Okay. Tell us your story.
There are 4 rows. On each row, there are 5 ducks. How many ducks are there all together?
The number sentence. Yes, correct. So let's make 3 big fire for this group. Boom, pa, boom, pa, boom, pa. Thank you. And class is over.